Today it is the 17th of November 2020 and this is, what was the name again?
Pöytäalhonkuja 4.
Pöytäalhonkuja 4, Stekes A. This is in Järvenpää, Träskända, Uusimaa, Nyland, Finland. We have also filmed the Stekes B here. It's easy to get inside. There are 7 floors here, and it was built in 1990 as well, maybe finished in summer of 1990, turning 30 years old this year in 2020, and the serial number is H66296. The capacity is 4 bridges or 325 grams, and there are 7 floors here. Okay, it's used as the ground floor or street level katutason, kaatuplan. It will be inspected in the next year, 2021. Amazing, even though this interior has been refurbished by something generic, but it's still not generic.
Yeah.
It's still original. Luckily so.
Yeah.
These buttons were also replaced with spare part with Kone, but with the red light. It used to be with the green light before.
Yeah.
Must have been with the green light. I'm pretty sure of it.
Yeah.
Maybe somewhere, yes, they had it in 1990, but I don't think it was here.
Yeah.
In almost all residential buildings it's been with the green light.
Yeah.
Or it is still.
Yeah. And the buttons are in very good shape.
Yes. So probably these buttons were replaced maybe in the mid-2000s.
Yeah.
Early or mid-2000s.
Inspected by Kone and maintained by Kone.
That's probably also when this interior was refurbished.
Yeah.
Maybe, well, they had the walls were refurbished because of vandalization.
Yeah.
People had been scratching on it. I think that could be the reason here.
Yeah.
But still, they should have chosen something that looked like the original color of the doors and everything.
Yeah.
Because I don't think these metal walls really, or stainless steel walls, look very nice.
Yeah.
But it's still amazing.
That's
Thank you very much for watching.